Shocking news for app creators. Google is stepping up its fight against malicious Android software with a sweeping and controversial new policy requiring developer identity verification. Whether you publish apps through the official Play Store or distribute them independently, Google now wants to know exactly who you are. The move is set to hit developers in Brazil, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand first, raising tough questions about security, privacy, and freedom in the mobile app world. Starting October 2025, Google will start inviting developers to complete this identity check, with full implementation opening to everyone by March 2026. By September 2026, if you want your app to run on certified Android devices in any of these 4 countries, you'll have to verify who you are. According to Suzanne Frey, Android's VP of Product, Trust and Growth, this isn't just a one-off filter. Every app installed on a certified device in these regions, regardless of distribution method, must be tied to a verified developer. Here's where it might not seem like a big deal, at least at first. Most developers who use the Play Store have already jumped through similar verification hoops using the Play console, so for them, not much changes. But Google is planning an entirely new type of developer account specifically for students and hobbyists, and how those will work is yet to be determined. Will this encourage or discourage innovation from small creators? So why this crackdown? Google argues it's all about safety and trust. By making it harder for copycats and scammers to pose as real developers, especially by borrowing trusted company names or logos, they hope to slow the spread of dangerous apps. This is increasingly urgent because many problematic apps reach users via third-party marketplaces or are sideloaded onto devices, bypassing official controls. And this is the part most people miss. Even if you're careful, it's still alarmingly easy for fake apps to sneak through when verification is lax. This policy builds on other recent moves, such as blocking risky sideloaded apps in certain countries. Last year, Google also started requiring organizations registering developer accounts to provide DUNS numbers, a globally recognized company identifier, further raising the bar for wannabe app publishers and reassuring wary users. In Google's words, this new layer of security is about stopping repeat offenders and creating a clear, fair baseline of developer accountability across the Android ecosystem. The company insists it will still preserve user choice, letting people decide which apps they trust, but now every choice should be a lot safer. But here's where it gets controversial. This tight security overhaul isn't happening in a vacuum. Google is already under pressure from the courts to change how it runs the Play Store. After losing a high-profile antitrust lawsuit brought by Epic Games, Google may soon have to let rivals offer competing app stores directly through its platform. Some see the timing of these new requirements as conveniently shoring up control, just as outside competition looms. Is this about user safety, market power, or both? So what do you think? Is Google's clampdown a much-needed step to secure our phones? Or does it threaten openness and innovation on Android devices? Would you want even stricter controls? Or is Google already going too far? Let's hear your thoughts and join the debate below.